Hello, it is Cheap Nails. Happy News Day for the nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be helping you find your own nail style. It's very exciting, so let's get started. To find your own nail style, you first must discover what colors you're most drawn to. So ask yourself, when you bought shoes, what color were they? How about that new hat? What color was that? When you go to paint your nails, what is the first color you pick up? Or when you go to the nail salon, what color do you choose? For me, I had to really think about this because I paint my nails every color of the rainbow for my videos. I do a whole bunch of different colors. And I paint them all the time. After much thought, I figured out what I most gravitate towards, which are these colors and these patterns. Don't they look girly to you? So I think the style that I definitely fall in the category is girly. So what's yours? Let's look at these basic colors and patterns that fall into the general category of gothic. Bold. Preppy. Girly. Fun and funky. Boho. Edgy. Okay, now that we've picked the style that we kind of gravitate towards, let's use it as a base to create our own unique personal style. For example, since I know that my base is girly, I'm going to start with these 3 girly colors. And why don't we add this pavement color from the gothic? And how about some animal print for my pattern from the bold style? Now let's put them together. And here's what we got. My own personal manicure. It's based in the style that I really like, but I added different elements from other styles so it's more personal and unique to me. So as you can see, just knowing your basic general style, you so easily can add and subtract different colors and different patterns while staying in the general realm of things that you like. And by doing that, you are much more likely to be happy and satisfied with the things that you create. And being happy with the things that you create is a priceless feeling. So knowing these 7 basic styles is a great tool to help you find one that you really like or building your own personal style that's uniquely yours. So I hope this video helps you find your nail style. And please share this video with anyone who you think that might be interested in this topic. And please give this video a like if you liked it. And remember to be uniquely you because you are priceless. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next Friday. Bye!